This is the MacBook Pro 2025 with the M5 chip, built for people who don't want limits. From the moment you open it, the 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display hits you with deep blacks, brilliant highlights, and colors that make photos and videos look alive. Inside, the 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU are designed to handle demanding tasks: video editing, 3D rendering, coding, music production, and heavy multitasking, smoothly and confidently. With 16 gigabytes of unified memory, apps feel instant, and switching between projects stays fluid, even with multiple windows and timelines open. The 512GB SSD gives fast load times and quick file access, helping work feel responsive, not slow or delayed. The space black finish gives it a professional, understated look, and the 14-inch form factor keeps it powerful while still easy to carry. It's made for creators, students, professionals, and anyone who wants a laptop that keeps up instead of holding them back. Quiet, cool, focused, and built for long sessions of real work. And here's the simple truth. Once you get used to this level of speed, display quality, and battery efficiency, going back to anything else starts to feel impossible.